In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Ethereum from Coinbase. By the end, you'll feel confident moving ETH safely and efficiently. We'll keep it straightforward and clear with a few pro tips along the way. First, head to the wallet where you want to receive the funds and copy the Ethereum address from that destination wallet. This is the key piece of information you'll paste into Coinbase. Make absolutely sure it's an Ethereum address and not for another cryptocurrency. Most Ethereum addresses begin with X, but don't rely solely on that. Always verify you're in the ETH section of that destination wallet. Now open Coinbase. You can use the mobile app or the website, whichever you prefer. If you don't already have it, I've placed the download link for the Coinbase app, as well as the link to the Coinbase website, right at the top of the description to make things easy. Log into your account and on the home page, look for the option that says Send Crypto. Tap or click that to begin. In the recipient field, paste the Ethereum address you copied earlier. Take a moment to double check it. A great habit is to compare the first few and the last few characters of the address in both places, just to ensure there wasn't a copying error. Next, choose Ethereum, or ETH, as the asset you're sending. This tells Coinbase which coin you want to move and which network you intend to use. Confirm you're sending on the Ethereum network, also known as ERC20. Sending to the wrong network can result in lost funds, so this step is critical. Enter the amount of ETH you want to send. You can usually switch between entering a crypto amount or its equivalent in your local currency, depending on what's easier for you. Before you finalize anything, select Preview to review all the details. Check the recipient address, the network, the amount, and the estimated fees. Fees can vary with network congestion, so it's normal to see them fluctuate throughout the day. You can add a note or memo if you like. This is optional and can help you remember what the transfer was for. When everything looks right, confirm and send. Complete any prompts, such as authentication, to finalize the transaction. After sending, you can track the status in your Coinbase activity, and you may also see a transaction hash if you want to follow it on a blockchain explorer. A few quick security reminders. Always double check the Ethereum address. Ensure you're on the ERC20 network, and for your very first transfer to a new address, consider sending a small test amount first to confirm everything works as expected. That's it. Thanks for watching.